Hello. If you're looking to teach sports and hobbies vocabulary and revise a whole range of different structures, these sports and hobbies flipbooks might be what you're looking for. 3 different options. And I'm going to show you what's inside them, how to make them, and give you some ideas for what you can do before, during, and after. So basically, you've got a whole lesson or series of lessons. So keep watching, and if you like what you see, you can get them on kidsclubenglish.com. Okay, here we go.